Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to the show today. Well, today I'm going to be cooking some ribs. We have some beautiful weather, finally, as opposed to the cold and tornado and rain and wind. So it's just a fantastic day outside. So it's a great day to get out the Ninja Woodfire Grill. I'm going to be using a special sauce today. It is a Yellowstone. Love the show, Yellowstone. And that's the rib sauce I'm going to be using today a little later. But right now I have some ribs, so we're going to start getting ready for the grill. So let's do that. Okay, I want to go over the list of ingredients. There's only 3. We have some baby back ribs right here, and these are 2 slabs of baby back ribs. I'm going to be using a salt, pepper, garlic blend. Use any kind of salt, pepper, garlic blend you like, or whatever rub you like. Salt, pepper, garlic blend is what I like to use whenever I'm grilling ribs. And then later on, we're going to have this original cowboy sauce from Yellowstone. Looking forward to using that. So let me go ahead and go outside and get the grill ready, and we'll be right back. All right, my friends, we have the Ninja Woodfire Grill ready to go. Beautiful weather today. Make sure you have a foil pan back here in the back and underneath. I buy these over at Walmart for about $3 for $1.25. Really cheap, but it's a perfect size for it. The size is 8.5 by 6. So many of you ask me, what kind of pellets do I use? I use a big old bag of pellets from Costco. The reason I don't get too particular about the pellets is because the smoke is not going to be in contact with the meat for that long. So buying various types of pellets, I just don't think it makes a big enough difference to worry about it. So I'll be putting the pellets in right here in a couple of minutes. Here we have the grill. I have the grill in place. Now we're going to come down here and press on. I'm going to select the crisp mode, air crisp mode. Press the wood fire button if you're going to be doing that, because it's not automatic on the air crisp mode. If you don't press this, you're not going to be getting the smoke flavor. Time I'll set to 375, and then the time I'll set it for 1 hour, but I may come back and check and turn it back up for more time. All right, press the start button over here, and here we go. Okay, that grill is getting ready, so let me go ahead and get our ribs ready to go. Just to make the ribs more tacky, I'm going to be spraying a little oil. This is just a canola oil. And then I'll be putting this salt, pepper, garlic blend. Putting it fairly liberally because we want the ribs to have really good flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and do the back as well. Okay, let's take these ribs and put them out onto the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Okay, we're ready to put the ribs onto the grill, and it's gone through its pre-light stage. Got rid of a lot of that bad smoke. And now we'll put our ribs on, close her down, and it's going to take off here and go for about 1 hour. I'll be back out and check it and make sure it gets the temp. See you soon. Okay, my friends, you can see these have been in there for about 45 minutes. They're looking really, really good. I really like the air fryer when it comes to cooking the ribs. Only takes about 45 minutes to an hour. And now I'll be putting on some of the sauce from Yellowstone. And there we have it. They look fantastic, don't they? Okay guys, these ribs are finished. Look at that. They look truly fantastic, don't they? Hey, I want to say thank you very much for watching the show today. I really do appreciate it. If you've not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. As a matter of fact, you can click on this QR code right over here, and it will take you to our YouTube page where you can actually subscribe to the channel right there. If you have not done so, please do that. Also, do me a favor and invite a friend. Ask them to watch the videos and ask them to subscribe as well. I really do appreciate it. Well, I hope you enjoy this and see you next time. Take care.